can do that if, hold on, just one second. Why don't you?
What are you guys doing here?
Weather balloon.
Oh, wow.
Careful about the
Watch the ball. Watch the ball.
Okay, get out.
Okay.
I got the rope. It's not twisting around anymore, so that's good.
Yeah, it's just goes up.
See, it's not windy. If you wait, that's the point.